We love our customers and work incredibly hard to make them happy. So when they love us back by giving us a glowing review online, well, we just have to share what they're saying. This review is a powerful testament to our policies and procedures that ensure every customer gets a 5-star experience with us. As you can see, we truly appreciate our valued customers by paying attention to their needs and putting them first each and every time. And the feedback keeps coming in to prove it. Find out how our thousands of hours of dedication and experience can help you. We would love the opportunity to add you to our list of happy customers. It's great you had a chance to take a look at us. Thanks, and we'll see you soon.